Hello, my French horn players. Mr. Fitz here, coming to you from my basement. And I want you to notice the sign here that says French horn rocks, which it does. I have Mrs. Fitz's French horn here, which is awfully cool. And all right, so what we're going to do right now, we're going to play line number 56. I'll play it for you first, and then we'll talk about it. Here it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so 56 is very cool because it's got a lot of stuff going on, and in particular, it's got the slur. Now, if you look at the top of the page, it explains that a slur is a curved line that connects two or more notes of different pitches. Now, we've had a curved line connecting two notes before, but they are of the same pitch. So what do we call that? Hint, hint. Yes, that's right, it's the tie. All right, so a slur is like a tie, except the pitches change. All right, so if you look at the first measure, notice how you have a B flat and an A. And by the way, the flat sign for the B, can you see where it is? Good, right after the treble clef sign, right? You see that little flat? That makes all B's throughout the whole piece of music automatically B flat, which is first valve. So I got a B flat and I got an A. Now, how long are those notes? All right, well, let's do a couple of little investigating first. We've got the C, which is the time signature marking. Do you know what that means? If not, I want you to pause the video and look back a few pages. Okay, so hopefully you figured out that C means 4/4 time signature. It's called common time because it's the most common time signature. 4/4, the top number tells you what? That's correct, 4 beats per measure. And the bottom number, the 4, means that the fourth note, meaning the quarter note, gets the beat. So a fourth and a quarter are the same thing. We call them quarter notes in music rather than fourth notes. Okay? All right, so now, if we have 2 half notes, each of those is going to be worth 2 beats. Okay, and if you add that up, that equals to 4, which is the same as a whole note. So the idea is going to be when we play this, we're going to play as if we're doing a whole note, except that on the third beat we change from the B flat to the A. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a little bit of a split on that first note. Let me try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Now, in the second measure, notice that you've got a B flat quarter note, A quarter note, and then another B flat half note. That should all add up to 4 also. So again, you're blowing the air as if you're doing a whole note, and you're starting with a B flat. On the second beat, you're switching to the A, and the third and fourth beat, you switch back to the B flat, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now, how to go about learning this. The most important thing to do is to say the rhythm first, and just with ta and tapping your foot, all right? So let's do that together. This is the first 2 measures. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. And I'm going to give you the foot cam view here of my foot. Got to move this extension cord a little bit. There's my foot. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, 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 ta. Okay, makes sense? I hope. You should be able to practice. You want to practice saying that and tapping your foot. Make sure that you can say that while tapping a steady beat, just like I did. If you need to pause the video and practice that, go ahead. All right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to play that on just one note. Okay, we're not going to bother switching notes. I know it's not totally hard, but right now I'm just going to play it. I'll play it on a B flat. All right, so here goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now, once you can do that, then the next step is to make the notes change, all right? And I think we already discussed that it was B flat and A, all right? So I will play now the first two measures, but I'm still not going to slur yet. I'm going to just say the tas, all right? So no slurs yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. So important that you're able to tap your foot steady Eddie while you do that. And then finally the last step is going to be to add the slurs. Now the thing with the slurs is you don't want to let it change the rhythm. Rhythm has to stay exactly the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and I'll let you figure out the rest of it. You just have to kind of go through the process with each two measures, all right? If you need to look any notes up, just go backwards in the book. You will find them on previous pages, all right? Thank you. Have fun.